Hello and welcome back to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very interesting and unusual, but yet very useful device. As you can see, I'm plugging in a multi-plug into a light socket, then taking my phone charger and plugging it into my phone. And I can charge my phone through a light socket. And I'm going to show you how to make this in this video. Let's get started. To make this project, you'll just need these two items, the multi-plug and the light bulb cap. First, let's start with the light bulb cap and some shrink tubes. Put them in over the wires, just like this. Now let's go ahead and connect the wires to the contacts of the multi-plug. Take the wire and bend it over, just like this. Put a decent amount of solder to hold it into place. Do the same thing with the other wire. And now let's move the shrink tubes over it and shrink the tubes and keep everything well insulated. And it should look just like this. Now put a large, generous amount of hot glue inside and out, so that way everything is well sealed in, and it should look just like this. Now go over and remove your light bulb. Now let's go ahead and put in your new screw-in multi-plug device into the light socket. Now let's test it out by taking your phone charger and plug it in. And plug in your phone, and there you have it. Your phone is now charging. And it works. And there you have it. Now you have another power source to plug in your phone. Instead of plugging it into the wall, now you can plug it into a light socket. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.